Hello po, magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Today po, nagluluto po ako ng pork chop for our lunch. And I would like to share with Chance. But he's a kind of fussy dog, you see. Don't you worry, he is immune to human food. Because since when he's young, he start eating with food with us all the time. Any kind of food he eats anyway. So now I have his plate here. I put rice on it and meat and olive and his food as well. So let's see if we're gonna eat it. So I'm gonna call him now. Let's see if where he is. Chance! Chance? 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 Come on, lad. Get your lunch. You don't want your lunch? Eat your lunch. No? Why? You don't like it? He doesn't like rice, you see. Chance, come on, son, you eat. You eat. You have to eat. You got no choice. You have to eat with rice with your plate. Chance. Yeah, you have to eat your food. No? He doesn't like rice, you see. Chance, come on, son. Eat your lunch. Come on, you have to eat your lunch. Look, nice rice. You got pork chop there. What are you doing? You have to eat your lunch. How about that one here? You put that in the floor. Chance? Chance? You just... You have to eat slowly. It's so funny. Good. Come on, then you eat your rice. Eat. Chance, you have to eat your rice. Chance. Lad. Where are you going? You have to eat your rice, you know. You have to eat rice like me. He doesn't want to eat his rice. Oh, he's such a fussy dog.